Hey everybody, Neil Thompson, founder of Teach the Geek here. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. And you can learn more about that at teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. What I want to talk about today. Today, I want to talk about one aspect that I think is really important when it comes to being an effective communicator, and that has to do with active listening. Yes, when you're talking, obviously the people are listening to what you have to say. But then once you stop talking, now you need to listen to what other people have to say. That's helpful because you want to be able to really take in what they're saying so that what you say next makes sense. I find so often that people talk, but then they talk just to, and then when they stop talking, they're just waiting to be able to talk again, as opposed to actually listening to what the other person is saying, to then say something that actually makes sense in response to what the other person said. There's been so many instances in which I've been on panels, and the after the panel, there's a Q&A session, and someone in the audience will ask a question, and a panelist will answer the question, but not really. They'll answer a question that wasn't even asked. And I suspect that they weren't engaging in active listening. So here are some tips when it comes to being a better active listener. If someone were to ask you a question, repeat the question back to them just to make sure that you understand the question that they are asking. And in the event that you got it wrong, well, repeat it back again. Basically, keep doing that until the person that you're speaking to says, yes, that's the question that I'm asking. And then you can answer the question. It's just so often, it's just, I get the sense that people will listen to a question and they'll pick out certain words from the question and then base their answer on those words that they were able to pick out. But if you were to follow my tip and actually repeat back the question that the question asker asked, well, now you know exactly what this person is asking. And now you can formulate an actual answer to that question as opposed to some other question that you had in your mind. So that's just one thing I wanted to say to talk about today when it comes to being an effective communicator. One aspect of being one anyway is being an active listener when it comes to communicating with others. Don't just respond in the way you want to respond. Respond in a way that makes sense. Respond in a way that actually answers what that other person was asking or based on what the other person said. Hopefully that's been helpful. Again, my name is Neil Thompson. I am the founder of Teach the Geek. I work with technical professionals so they can present more effectively, especially in front of non-technical audiences. You can learn more about that at teachthegeek.com. Again, that's teachthegeek.com. Until next time, take care and stay safe.